Namo Namaha. Welcome back students to yet another grammar session of Sanskrit. This is the third session based on the topic of Vacham. In today's session, we are going to learn about Bhava Vacham or impersonal voice. But before we proceed, let's have a quick recap of what we have covered so far. We have learnt that there are three kinds of Vacham: Kartruvacham, that is active voice; Karmavacham, that is passive voice; and Bhavavacham, that is impersonal voice. And we have also seen that there are two types of Kartruvacham: Sakarmak Kartruvacham and Akarmak Kartruvacham, that is transitive active voice and intransitive active voice. Now we know that in Sakarmak Kartruvacham, Karta is used in Prathama Vibhaktihi, Karma is used in Dvitiya Vibhaktihi, and Kriyapadam agrees with the subject, that is Karta, in Vachanam and Purushaha. We have also learnt about Karmavacham, and we know that in Karmavacham, Karta is used in Tritiya Vibhaktihi, Karma is used in Prathama Vibhaktihi, and Karmavachya form of Kriyapadam is used as per the Vachanam and Purushaha of Karma. Thus, 1 to 1 is the formula for Sakarmak Kartruvacham and 3-1-1 is the formula for Karmavacham. Take a note of an important point. Sakarmak Kartruvachya sentences can be changed into Karmavacham, and Akarmak Kartruvachya sentences can be changed into Bhavavacham. In Akarmak Kartruvacham, Karta is used in Prathama Vibhaktihi, Karma doesn't exist in the sentence, and Kriyapadam agrees with the Karta in Vachanam and Purushaha. So the formula for the sentence which is an example of Akarmak Kartruvacham is 1, 0, 1. And as we have seen, Akarmak Kartruvachya sentences can get changed into Bhavavacham. There are certain dhatus which are considered as Akarmak dhatus. For example, Bhu, As, Stha, Swap, Dhav, Creed, Shubh, etc. Now let's try to understand the concept of Bhavavacham. In Bhavavacham, Karta is used in Tritiya Vibhaktihi, Karma doesn't exist in the sentence, and Bhavavachya form of Kriya is used. It is always independent and is used in Pratham Purushaha Ekavachanam. And we get the Bhavavachya form of Kriya exactly like that of Karmavachya form of the Dhatuhu. Take the Moola Dhatuhu, add Ya to it, and then add Atmanepadi endings to it. For example, Stha, the Bhavavachya form is Sthiyate, Creed, the Bhavavachya form is Kridyate, Dhava, the form is Dhavyate, and Nruta, the form is Nrutyate. Now let's try to understand how to change Akarmak Kartruvachya sentences to Bhavavacham with the help of some examples. Balakaha tatra tishtati. This sentence is an example of Akarmak Kartruvacham. When we change this sentence to Bhavavacham, it can be written as Balakena tatra sthiyate. As you can see, the subject is used in Tritiya Vibhaktihi and the Bhavavachya form of the Kriya is used and it is in Pratham Purushaha Ekavachanam. If the sentence is given in plural, for instance, Balakaha tatra tishtanti, will the verb form be used in plural? No. In Bhavavacham, the verb form is always used in Pratham Purushaha Ekavachanam. So the sentence can be written as Balakaihi tatra sthiyate. As you can see, though the subject is in plural, the verb form is used in Pratham Purushaha Ekavachanam. Let's see the next example. Ashvaha vegena dhavanti. When we change this sentence to bhavavacham, it can be written as Ashvaihi vegena dhavyate. Let's see the next example. Suryah akashe prakashate. When we change the sentence to bhavavacham, it can be written as Suryena akashe prakashyate. Let me take you to the next example. Vrikshaha kampante. The bhavavachya form of the sentence is Vrikshaihi kampyate. The next one is Mayuraha nrutyanti. The bhavavachya form of the sentence is Mayuraihi nrutyate. These examples make it clear that in bhavavacham, kriya is independent. It is not dependent on the purushaha or vachanam of the karta, and it is always used in pratham purushaha ekavachanam. Students, I hope you have understood the concept of bhavavacham. I'll repeat. In bhavavacham, karta is used in tritiya vibhaktihi. Karma doesn't exist in the sentence, and bhavavachya form of kriya is used, and it is always in pratham purushaha ekavachanam. 301 is the formula for the sentences which are the examples of bhavavacham. Now let's try to solve a question based on bhavavacham. Here is the question. Adholikhitani vakyani bhavavachye parivartyantam. Students, we have to change the given sentences to bhavavacham. Let's see the first sentence. Balakaha dhavanti. The answer is Balakaihi dhavyate. Let's see the next one. Simhaha vane garjati. And the answer is Simhena vane garjate. The next one is Vanaraha vruksheshu kurdanti. And the answer is Vanaraihi vruksheshu kurdyate. Let's see the next sentence. Sajjanaha upavishanti. The answer is Sajjanaihi upavishyate. The next one is Shishuhu swapiti. And the answer is Shishuna supyate. And the last sentence is Chhatraha kridanti. And the bhavavachya form of the sentence is Chhatraihi kridyate. I hope you thought of the same answers. Here ends the explanation of Vacham. Before I conclude the presentation, let me quickly repeat the main points of the discussed part. We have seen that in Kartruvacham, Karta is predominant, in Karmavacham, Karma is predominant, and in Bhavavacham, Kriya is predominant. In Kartruvacham, Karta is used in Prathama Vibhaktihi. In Karmavacham, Karta is used in Tritiya Vibhaktihi. And in Bhavavacham, just like Karmavacham, Karta is in Tritiya Vibhaktihi. In Kartruvacham, Karma is used in Dvitiya Vibhaktihi. In Karmavacham, it is in Prathama Vibhaktihi. And in Bhavavacham, Karma doesn't exist. In Kartruvacham, Kriya agrees with the subject, that is Kartrupadam. In Karmavacham, Kriya agrees with the object, that is Karmapadam. And in Bhavavacham, Kriya is independent and it is always used in Pratham Purushaha Ekavachanam. That brings us to the end of the presentation. I hope you have understood the concept of Vacham. I'll finish up saying Dhanyavadaha Punarmilamaha.